How to find clear formatting on Google Workspace sheet. So guys, if you want to find this option, first step, go to your application Google Workspace and go to document and click your text in Excel and click format and scroll down. After click text, scroll down and here you can find clear formatting. So click clear formatting. So here you can find text color, you can find size, you can find font, text rotation. Here you can find cell, so fill color. You can find here trap text. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.